Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about how to do dynamic routing via RIP, that is Routing Information Protocol, and how I'll be utilizing configuring the routers in this numerical. So the same numerical which I have done for both OSPF static routing, so I'll be even doing routing information protocol, that is RIP, in this numerical. So first of all I'll take the same diagram, and in this diagram the most important thing, that is I have provided the IP addresses in all the routers. IP addresses I have provided, only I have provided the IP addresses, that is I can show you here. In this the two interfaces are being provided. So in these two interfaces I have provided gigabit terminal 01 IP provided, as well as gigabit 010 IP provided. Similarly here three interfaces are there. So here also the three interfaces are there, and in these three interfaces the IP is present. Here three interfaces are there. Here also the three interfaces IP are present. Here four interfaces are there. Four IPs are present. Here one IP. Here another one IP. Okay. So I have only provided the IP addresses. Now I'll do routing information protocol. So let's go to the command line interface of the router 1. Here in the command line interface, first of all I will go to the config mode, that is enable config T, enable, then config T. Then after that as you can see that in this first router is connected to the network 1 and network 3. So first of all I will write router RIP. I will first of all write router RIP. Then after that what I will do, router RIP, then version. After that I will write ver version router RIP version 2. Then after version 2 I will provide auto summary, that is no auto summary. After that network, after no auto summary I will provide network. See, network, which network is connected 1.0.0.0. This is the network connected, and next network connected is network number 3. This is done for router number 1. Now let's go to router number 2. Enable config T router RIP version 2, no auto summary, network. In router 2, the network which is connected to the router 2 is 1, 2 and 4. One, 2 and 4. This is done for router number 2. Then let's go to router number 3. Enable config T. Then after that router RIP version 2. After version 2 I'll provide as no auto summary. After that network, router number 3 is connected to 2, 10.1, 10.2, 2, 10 1 2 10 1 10 2. Done. For router number 3 it's done. Now let's go to router number 4. Config T, router rip version 2, no auto summary, network is in router number 4, the network connected is 4 3 5 3 4 5 6, all are connected. So 3 4 5 6 are connected. So done for router number 4. Now let's move to router number 5. In the router number 5, enable config T, then router rip version 2, router rip version 2, no auto summary, network. For router number 5, the network is 5.0.0.0, and done for router number 5. And for now, next for router number 6, enable config T, then router rip version 2, no auto summary, then network. And router number 6, the network which is connected is 6.0.0.0. Done. So I have successfully provided router rip configuration in all the routers. Now let's see whether ping will be successful or not. Yeah, it's successful. Now let's go to successful. Failed. Successful. See, so and everywhere it's successful. So this is how a RIP is done. That is routing information protocol. It is a one type of dynamic routing. I have already done the same numerical for static routing. In the first video I have done for OSPF, which is a dynamic routing. Then I have done for static routing. Then I have done for RIP. Then I will be doing for EIGRP. So I hope everybody has understood what I did in this numerical. So if you have any doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, then please subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching.